Morning YouTubers. I'm never normally on this side of the camera, but I thought I'll put a face to Audi TT if you don't know me. I've got a new little mod I'm going to put on today. I'll show you what that is. Here it is from Maxton's. These are rear side splitters, skirts, whatever you want to call them. They just finish off the back, but we've got a little bit of a task for this one because they don't actually fit around the Rieger diffuser. The Rieger diffuser, as I'll show you in a minute, comes slightly over. So I'm going to need to cut a section of this away so it sits and butts up really smoothly to the diffuser. I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, the diffuser made by Rieger sits at the back here, and this extension basically from the side skirt comes along the rear bumper here. But as you can see, because this Maxton one overlaps the Rieger diffuser, I've seen some people run these, it doesn't fit flush and you've got a gap. So I'm going to attempt to measure up and cut around that so it will fit flush against the diffuser, and hopefully then that gap will go and it will fit nicely and flush and it will look decent. If not, I'm going to rip them off. I've just cut this little piece off is because there's a little bolt, little screw under here from the diffuser which was really sticking out, which I might have to actually readjust because it's not going in flush. And I was just seeing whether that little notch there will give a little bit more play. Always seem to cut myself when I do anything with my car. So just the first fix, just to get an idea where we are. Let's trim a little bit more off. I've undercut it a bit, so I've got to, this needs to come back a little bit now. At least I can fix it a lot more around it now. Okay, so final piece is cut. That now fits flush. So before it was sitting like this and going under, now it fits flush and it fits around, and this corner piece here, I'll just show you, I cut so it goes in the direction of the kind of the down, same sort of angle as that's coming down, and then the edge piece here kind of comes down. So this is probably the best I'm going to get. But it sits nice and flush, and hopefully it'll be just an extension of the diffuser. And look alright. I'll show you after. Right, so just need to make sure you thoroughly clean underneath, so there's no bits making it sit off. Right, so you can see these screws and bolts are massively overkill for a small little plastic thing like that. So I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use this outdoor mounting tape. This stuff is super solid. It holds 5 kilograms. So I'm going to hold it on with this. If I have any problems, I'll go and add some screws at a later date. So I've double-sided it up. I'm going to put a little bit more on this side, not too close to the edge, because then you'll see it straight through the lip. And then I'm going to stick it right there. And I'll show you the end result.